I'm going to show you a way that will allow you to handle those referral calls very skillfully and have it higher propensity to close. But then also, you're going to find that whoever gave you the referral gives you a lot more. You're going to do that by increasing your level of credibility and authority, and also increasing the credibility and the authority of the person that referred. So David, let's say Rick, who's on this call, was like, Matt, you got to talk to my friend David. He's awesome. He's putting together his business, and he really needs some sales coaching. Give him a call, right? Here's the wrong way to do that. Hey, David, this is Matt Easton. Rick had let me know that you're looking for some sales coaching, right? Kind of skillful. What can I get you information on? I love that line. That is very skillful. What can I get you information on? It's all the stuff that happened ahead of that that's not great. Watch as I'm going to raise my level of authority, okay? Watch as I'm going to make it sound like Rick, whoever referred you to me, is also very skillful and high level, right? That's going to involve a favor, me reaching out to you personally to make sure my people, even if I'm only a one-man shop. That sounds like this. Hey, David, Matt Easton, founder of Easton University. Rick had called in a favor and asked me to reach out to you personally regarding sales coaching. What can I get you information on, right? Boom, just Rick had called in a favor, right? Now it's going to be a skillful call, and I sound like I'm coming in from a very, very high level, and you're going to call Rick back and be like, Rick, man, dude, that guy called me. Thank you so much. Yeah, my pleasure. Man, he had said he had called in a favor. Yeah, absolutely. Right now, Rick's going to be like, dude, I kind of felt like a big shot on that. I'm going to refer more people his way. If we start it from a lower level, then they're going to be really defensive. The other cool thing about that is it allows me to be like, what can I get you information on, right? Or what research have you done on us? It allows me to ask you questions without seeming salesy. Why? Because I'm asking you questions as a favor to the person that referred you, right? It's taking all the pressure off. There's a huge difference between you need solar for your house. Do you know anybody that needs solar? I guess my neighbor does. And you're that solar pest. If you're in solar, not a lot of you are, but don't get mad at me. A lot of those people are really pesty, right? They're knocking on the door and they're like, your neighbor says you might be. We don't want to sound like that, right? Hey, David, Matt Easton over here at Easton Logistics. Hey, Rick Opti had called in a favor and asked that I reach out to you personally. Make sure my people got you all the information you needed on our 3PL logistics. Oh, yeah, thanks. My pleasure. What can I get you information on, right? And now we're just skillfully right into it. When you do that, I'm telling you, it goes a lot easier. Hey, it's Matt Easton, founder of Easton University, the most effective sales coaching system in the world. If you like this video and you want to learn how to close, I want to give you my closing mini masterclass for free. Click the link somewhere around here, or just simply comment with the word closer, and I will get you access to the closing mini masterclass. I'll cover the $299 cost for you. It's free to you.